do in Scottsdale, Arizona are abundant. Scottsdale is well known as one of the best places in the world to play golf, but it has a lot more to offer than that. In fact, this city has something for everyone. Whether you like history, cars, nature, animals, or just good old-fashioned adventure. My name is Lloyd, and I've been a realtor for 20 years. My goal is to help give you useful real estate information and fun stuff about this cool city. Here's a list of the top things to see and do in Scottsdale. Number 1 is Scottsdale's McDowell Sonoran Preserve. It covers more than 30,000 acres and has more than 225 miles of beautiful shared use trails in the McDowell mountain foothills for hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding. Number 2, Old Town Scottsdale. Old Town is so fun. It offers a wide range of things to do, both during the day and at night. So it's very walkable with tons of shopping and restaurants, as well as lots of fun bars when the sun goes down. 2 of my favorites are the classy Beverly on Main and the Drunk Monk Tiki Bar. Number 3, Frank Lloyd Wright's Taliesin West. Frank Lloyd Wright, a famous architect, was so taken with the Sonoran Desert's natural beauty and sunny weather that he built his winter home and architectural school here. It's called Taliesin West. It's now a UNESCO heritage site, which was built in the late 1930s and has different tours every day that give visitors an inside look at Wright's clever designs and his ability to blend indoor and outdoor spaces. I'm also a volunteer there, so if you happen to see me on a visit, be sure to say hello. Number 4, Sonoran Museum of Contemporary Art. Architect Will Bruder did a great job of turning an old movie theater into the Sonoran Museum of Contemporary Art. It features thought-provoking, changing exhibits of modern art, architecture, and design. Number 5, Sonoran Desert Adventures. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the great outdoors in the area. So the sunny skies, the lush Sonoran Desert make the perfect setting for outdoor activities like hot air ballooning, horseback riding. You can river raft, kayak, or paddleboard on one of the many lakes nearby. And one of my favorite things to do is go on an off-road tour with Desert Mountain Tours to watch the sunset from the mountains. Number 6 is Scottsdale's Museum of the West. Have you ever secretly wished that you could be a cowboy or a cowgirl? Well, if so, be sure to visit this old town gem. It honors the pioneer spirit of the American West through changing exhibits of fine art, rare historical artifacts, and cultural treasures. Number 7, Desert Botanical Garden. The garden has 5 paved trails with different themes. It's 140 acres located in Papago Park, and along its trails you can see thousands of arid land plants from all over the world, as well as changing displays of large-scale art. It is a wonderful place to experience the beauty of the desert landscape, and the second Tuesday of every month admission is free. Number 8 is Scottsdale Golf. Scottsdale is known as the world's finest golf destination, and it's easy to see why when you look at the city's many luxury resorts, 330 sunny days a year, and high-quality courses like TPC Scottsdale, True North, and Greyhawk. That's just a sampling of things to do in beautiful Scottsdale. Let me know in the comments what appeals to you the most. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.